Welcome to Aimco Manufacturing. Here we have a gripping tool used to pick up the refractory blocks you see here. I'll demonstrate how this works. We've got an up-down pendant and our vertical control. This is mounted to our torque lift for off-center lifting. We do have a capacity of 160 pounds. So we'll guide the tool into place, hit the clamp button to secure it. We can raise the part up. And we have an incremental rotate button, or a rocker switch. This will allow the operator to stop the part wherever they want or continue to hold it to rotate a full 180 degrees. They can flip the part upside down and set it back down. We'll set this part back down. But first, the unclamp button is disabled until you pull the common trigger in for a two-hand release. The unclamp is also on an incremental circuit, so the jaws don't open up all the way into the rack when unwanted. So you'll hit the common trigger and the unclamp. So just tapping that will release the jaws. The torque lift is mounted to our articulated jib crane. We've got 360 at the primary. The end user will have 360 at the secondary as well on their pedestal, which is much taller than our demo pedestal here. We have two jaw sets. We've got one V jaw set for smaller round parts. We've also got a offset jaw for the really small narrow parts. So this is just a pinned jaw. So you can hit the clamp button, increment the unclamp, position the jaws close to the part size. It'll make it a lot faster to pick. So you'll bring the tool all the way in and clamp. So as you can see, the offset jaw will allow us to pick the much longer parts and narrow parts. The V-jaw is preferred for all of the round parts. However, on this 143 pound part, you can just use the straight jaws. It's not necessary to use the V-jaws. So you can clamp that part and rotate it around to set it on the other side. So we do have the vertical slide handle here to keep the operator in a nice comfortable position. By keeping your hands in one place, you can still lower the part all the way down to the floor or raise it up to the shelf level. Okay, now we'll pick the smaller round part. Again, common trigger, jog the unclamp to position the jaws. Align the V-jaw first on the fixed side and hit the clamp button. Secure the part. Okay, here's the largest part, and this is where the jaw design came into place. We only have so much room in between the part and the rack, so the jaws had to be as thin as possible, but still withstand about 970 pounds of grip force. Still at 114 pound part, very easy to manipulate around. And with the push of the rocker switch, you can flip this part over. It is on flow controls. You can speed that up or slow the rotation down. Thanks for watching. Please visit aimcomanufacturing.com for more product videos.